In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change refresh rate on iPhone XR. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the refresh rate on your iPhone XR or any other model. This will allow you to lower the refresh rate to a fixed 60 Hz if you prefer lower refresh rates, or make it go higher, upwards of 120. So all that you have to do is head over into the settings. So go into the settings on any iPhone model, including the XR, and then find the accessibility category. Usually it is going to be down at the bottom, so scroll down until you find accessibility. Now, you will be able to find the motion options. So under accessibility, choose motion. Inside of motion, you will be able to find limit refresh rate, or as they call it, frame rate. Don't worry, this is going to be the exact same thing. This is the only option related to refresh rates on any iPhone device. So, by enabling this option, like the name suggests, your refresh rate is going to be limited, so the screen is going to fix itself to 60 Hz. This is better if higher refresh rates give you eye discomfort, so enabling this option will give you lower refresh rates. If you disable this option, which is the default, so if you have never changed this option, it will already be disabled, your refresh rate can go to upwards of 120 Hz. The reason why I say can go to upwards is because the screen will automatically adjust itself to the situation in order to save battery. So if you are doing something intensive like playing games, it will make the refresh rate go higher, like I said, to a maximum of 120. If you are doing something less intensive like day-to-day browsing or just using normal applications, then it is going to lower the refresh rate a bit. This is done in order to save battery. And sadly, as it stands today, while you can lock it to 60 Hz, you will not be able to lock it to 120. The only option that you have is to use it on this adaptive refresh rate, which automatically adjusts it for you. So just let the setting be disabled and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to change refresh rate on iPhone XR. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.